Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this quick Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to close, hide or remove the selection pane in Word while managing shapes, pictures, text boxes and other objects easily. This selection pane is useful for organizing document objects, but sometimes users accidentally open it and want to remove it from the screen. This tutorial will show you how to fastest solution step by step. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Already we can see here open the selection pane. Now you can add any shape and selection pane showed it. Now I am go the blank page and go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Now I am choose a picture and add here. We can see here automatically added this. Now I am go another and create a shape. Then we can see here show that. Now I want to remove the selection pane, click the close option. Then we can see we close the selection pane. You can add it that. Click the shape or picture, go to the format menu and here the selection pane and you can close it. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.